Masquera saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chibagara ka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takwigirai nyaya yabuditswa ya Chatunga uyo akasungwa last week Mushure kunge akaasauta police officer at a roadblock. Chatunga abuda achi apologize ni chiitiko chakaitika kabuda achi apologize kuna Home Affairs Minister Kazembe pamwechete na Commissioner General we police wa Godwin Matanga pamwechete na President Mnangagwa achitaura achiti overreacted pachiitiko ichi abuda via an exendo yakanzi Chatunga Mugabe achiti I would like to make a public apology to the Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, President Mnangagwa, Home Affairs Minister Kazembe, and Commissioner General of Police Matanga for my actions last Saturday. Surely forgive me for the disorderly conduct. I overrated. Those are Buddha Stao na Chatunga kwa Zimbabwe. Funga Chatunga akapiwa mtongo wake ko Bay Bridge arikundinyaka estapera irikupera akuchanotongwa musi wa 16 September kutara kwatukuita is out of custody but musi wa 16 September ndo pachawanikwa chipiwa mtongo wake muri Zimbabwe. Kunzi akasungwa nenyaya yekuasauta mupurisa at roadblock zvakare nekubuditsa banga muri Zimbabwe. The son was the former President Robert Mugabe. Chatunga Belamina in Makore 27, Arkunzi, he was arrested. Mushure Kunge. Akanitsana Mapurisa at a security checkpoint in Bobi, 80 kilometers from the border town of Bay Bridge. So he was traveling in a South African registered Range Rover. A friend yake they were going to Harare for a wedding. So the incident yakaitika at around 6 a.m. according to officer commanding Bay Bridge District, Chief Superintendent Melusi Ngube. Chatunga Arunzi, he was charged with disorderly conduct and illegal possession of a specified knife. My sources very close to the incident and Chite Chatunga uyo I drive one friend yake, a South African driver, and akaita impatient apa akavunjwa ni mapurisa for my vehicle documents pamwechete ne identification. Runzi akatanga kushauta at the police achitaura iye achiti they were delaying them achiti vaiziva kuti ndiye ani here zvokunzi akasvika pakubata mupurisa pakola support unit officer zvinzi akabhaura sheti yake in the process. Ndofuga nyaya iye iri kunzi the state is represented by the district public prosecutor Mr. Naishe Matenga vakutaura ivo vachiti vataura wabuda achitaura masimilar events akataura na witness angari pa incident. So the state yakabuda taura iyo ichiti Chatunga akabuda mota yodrive ni South African friend wahinzi Ivan Malokoza chinzi akatanga kupopotera mapurisa achitara they were delaying them for the fourth time. Anzi zvokunzi mamwe mapurisa paakaona kunetsana mupurisa wakabambata vachiona abuditsa banga mumwe make muri Zimbabwe. So according to the state Malokoza arikunzi akabvunzwa kuti abuditse his passport. Nzi Chatunga akabva abuditsa yake before friend yake yacomply. Anzi pavaadvaiswa kunzi vapake pa the roadside anzi but Malokoza akaramba paapaka muroad. Zvikunzi panguva iyoyi ndo pakabuda Chatunga achipopota muri Zimbabwe akatanga akasvika pakubata mupurisa kola. So Chatunga arikunzi appeared briefly before the Bay Bridge resident magistrate Mr. Takudwa Gwazemba avo vanga vachifambira nyaya dzacho. Iye arikunzi was represented by Mr. Muchiwandi Sitole we F. Chauke and Associates. He was not asked to plead to the charges, and he was remanded out of custody until 16 September for a provisional trial date. so zvikunzi nyaya yabuditswa so malawyers aChatunga arikunzi ataura mukoti achiti Chatunga is the one assaultwa nepolice zvinzi kutaura kwatiri kuita ari kurwadziwa nemusana. Nyaya yabuditswa nemaiZimbabwe vachitaura ivo vachiti the son of the late former president Robert Mugabe, Chatunga Bellarmine, was arrested yesterday for a scuffle with police officers at a security checkpoint in Bobi, 80 kilometers from the border town of Beitbridge. He was reportedly traveling in a South African registered Range Rover with a friend to Harare for a wedding. The incident occurred at around 6 a.m. According to officer commanding Beitbridge District Chief Superintendent Melusi Ncube, Chatunga was charged with disorderly conduct and illegal possession of a specified knife. Sources close to the incident claim that Chatunga, who was being driven by his friend, a South African driver, became impatient when police officers asked for vehicle documents and identification. He started shouting at the police, saying, "You are delaying us. Do you know who I am?" He then angrily and violently grabbed the support unit officer by the collar and tore off his shirt buttons. In the process, the source said, the state, represented by District Public Prosecutor Ms. Tinaishe Matenga, alleged a similar sequence of events. The state said Chatunga disembarked from the vehicle driven by his South African friend Ivan Molokoza and started shouting at the police officer for delaying them for the fourth time. He is alleged to have manhandled the officer but was subdued by other officers who found a flick knife on him upon arresting him. According to the state, Molokoza was asked to produce his passport and Chatunga allegedly produced his before his friends could comply. Molokoza was then advised to park by the roadside for security checks, but he partially parked on the road and was told to move further away from the main road. It was at this point that Chatunga allegedly began shouting and manhandling the officer. Chatunga appeared briefly before Beitbridge resident magistrate Mr. Takujwa Wazemba. He was represented by Mr. Muchiwande Sitole of F. Chauke and Associates. He was not asked to plead to the charges and was remanded out of custody until 16 September for a provisional trial date. Mr. Sitole urged that his client was the one who had been assaulted by a police officer and was still struggling with back pain. Chatunga is the second son of Robert Mugabe and Grace Mugabe, who also had sons Robert and Bona Mugabe, named after the former Zimbabwean leader's mother. He is a controversial figure, having been recently named as the mastermind of a massive money laundering syndicate, through which he could have gained 10 million rands just before his father was ousted in a coup in 2017. Ndozvabuditswa nemaiZimbabwe. Zvakare muna 2023 Chatunga nefriend yake anonzi Tatenda Chinyoku vakasungwa shure mekunge vakaonekwa vachiasauta another guy ainzi Lazarus Daira Manzi. Zviri kunzi vakasvika pakudhameja Nissan NPT 300 yake hanzi vachismasha mawindows kusvika mota yaparara. Vaviri ava Chatunga pamwe chete naChinyoku vakapinda mumaoko emapurisa vakachadzwa neassault and malicious damage to property. Zvakare his older brother Robert Jr. akafesawo zvakare similar legal issues last year muna February. Robert ari kunzi mushure mekunge adhakwa akatanga kudisplaya a wild and erratic behavior at a party hanzi agumisira akupwanya zvakare mota dzevanhu mushure mekunge vanga vanetsana papati. So hazina kupera mushe social media users abuda achireacta mukusungwa kwa Chatunga reZimbabwe. One uya anonzi Munomutapa abuda achitaura iye achiti how the mighty have fallen, akufamba nemota to cross the border. Another one anonzi Wellington Mungati abuda achitaura achiti law must apply. These boys, they think they are president's children. Maba ndiripo anoshupa mani. Another one anonzi Grainful Trust abuda achiti Chatunga will get scot free. Hapana nyaya apa, zvakatopera zvakatovharana. Mumwe akabuda achiti police must teach him a lesson. another one akabuda achiti like mother like child. Mumwe anonzi Vongai Marufu akabuda achiti do you know who I am? Zvamanje manje kwavari ichiri kushanda here. But anyway, saka achatovamo here, atodarika zvake uyu otosara osona mapattern. Ndozvabuda zvichaurwa nemasocial media users muri Zimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi.